Okay, hi, my name's Andy, and I'm going to give you a very quick overview of Research and Write, which is out now. There are 12 units in Research and Write. Let me focus on units 1 to 6. In units 1, 3, and 5, we introduce students to primary data collection skills. For example, how to make a questionnaire, interview people, and do guided observations. In the even units 2, 4, and 6, we build students' awareness of how to write a paragraph. So students are writing at the paragraph level, and this would be good for one semester of instruction if you so wished. From Unit 7, the latter part of the book, we begin to build students' knowledge of essay structure, how to use secondary data to do research, for example, how to do note-taking, and then how to use citation and end reference lists when using secondary data to support ideas and opinions. Also, how to paraphrase and summarize secondary data, including the citation and referencing. And this builds to Unit 11, where students look at the argumentative essay structure, and this blends primary data as well as secondary data collection in their writing. And Unit 12 is a review unit where students can go back and look at what they have learned throughout the course. So as I said, you may want to split the course into Unit 1 to 6 for the first semester, Unit 7 and 12 for the second semester. It is possible to do this in one semester as well, but you would go through it much more quickly. Let's take a quick look of Halico Online, where the book is available digitally, and let's have a quick look through Unit 1. So first of all, students mind map their school and different facilities at their school. They choose one facility, for example, the library, and they break it down into smaller component parts. Then students are introduced to different question types that they could use when doing their own questionnaires. And they're provided with an example questionnaire which tries to elicit responses related to the library, and they match up the different question types. Also, students then analyze what are the advantages and disadvantages of each question type. They can make their questionnaire by using the space in the book, but it also guides students to SurveyMonkey, where they can create an electronic questionnaire. I did this semester. Students made their own questionnaires and posted the link to the questionnaires in the learning management system that I was using, and we had a very productive lesson. Students then collect their responses, and there is an example of different responses to the library questionnaire and possible categories that could emerge from data analysis. Something very simple for students. What were the positive comments about the library, and what were the negative comments? Students are then introduced in Unit 1 to an example paragraph where the research for the library questionnaire is written up, and students match the missing words into the paragraph and highlight some of the key words in that paragraph. And then they do the same activity for their own questionnaire research. There's also an expansion activity where they can choose a different place and do another questionnaire to expand, possibly as a homework task. As I said, I've been teaching this semester when we've been online, and I had a lot of fun with this lesson where students created their own questionnaires using SurveyMonkey, posted the links, then students answered each other's questionnaires, and then for homework, they had to write up the results. Okay, that's a very brief explanation of Research and Write. If you'd like to get a sample, please contact Darren Halliday at Halico, and he will send you a sample copy of the book. If you have any questions, you can also always ask me. Thank you very much. Thank you.